Hi guys, this is Yapi and welcome to another vlog. It's currently August 4. It's currently first week of August. Wala naman masyado pang ganap as of now, but I know for sure it's gonna be busy for the whole month. But anyway, I'm currently vlogging on a different cam right now because I got the DJI Osmo Action 6. And so far, I am loving it. Although, I'm still checking or nag-check pa ako ng mga settings kung ano yung pinaka-okay. Right now, I'm currently at 4K and 24. And then, naka-Rocksteady and natural wide for YouTube. But, yeah. Ayun nga, madami tayong ganap for the month of August. First, since andito din kasi si Kuya, umuwi siya from Australia. And we're gonna go, I think, this weekend sa Pampanga. I'm not sure if it's gonna be overnight or just a day trip. And then the following weekend, it's gonna be a celebration of Daddy William's birthday. And I'm gonna be running for the Rexona 10-miler series in UP Diliman. So that's gonna be for 10 kilometers. So I'm fingers crossed, matapos ko siya within 1 hour and 30 minutes as long as it's not gonna be 2 hours. I think kaya ko naman. But yeah, hindi enough yung remaining days for the training of 10 kilometers. So what I'm doing right now is I am running 3 times a week. 2 of them easy runs, like 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers. And then the last day would be the long run, more than 5 kilometers. So I have 1 more week left to actually do that. But I'm actually excited then as well. And another update, some quick updates lang for the running journey. I'm gonna be also running for Disney Run on September. That's also gonna be for 10 kilometers. Nag-level up na ata kami magkakaibigan. Puro 10 kilometers na kasi yung mga race na sinasalihan namin after the 5 kilometer from Angat Bayanihan Run. And then, on November, it's gonna be the after dark hours of Nike Run. So, wala pang details, but we were able to register na for that run, and I'm also excited for that. It's gonna be a night run, of course, after dark. But we still don't have any full idea. Or, I mean, we don't have the full details yet. But looking at the other after dark hours of Nike from different countries, ang cute ng mga race kit nila. Maganda siya. So, hopefully, that would be the same case with Manila Run. But, yeah, so far, yun yung mga runs natin, upcoming runs. We don't have a run yet for October. I'm not sure if we're gonna run. But aside from that, I'm just gonna continue running every day. Or I mean, not every day, but every 3 times a week. Ayun. So, may konting improvements naman with my running. But lately talaga, ang bilis ko talagang mag-sore ng legs ko and basta, maano siya ngayon. So, I'm gonna make sure na I'm gonna be able to do strength training in between. Kasi nung nakaraan, medyo tinamad-tamad ako mag-strength training. So, I'll make sure to do that with the following days. And then, ayun. Let's see how far this vlog will go. And today, wala naman ako masyadong gagawin. I am gonna go and organize my schedule and probably play Sims or read a book. And I'm gonna shoot a content as well for TikTok for the book reviews for the books that I was able to read na. And yun lang. So, laters.
Lala, ha? Sa Australia, okay yung hindi. Bawal din sa akin.
So, ayun, kakauwi lang namin galing sa pagsundo kay kuya sa Pasig kasi nagpatattoo nga siya. And I might also get a tattoo. I'm not sure if it's gonna be tomorrow, but we'll see. It's gonna be for free. I'm not sure why it is for free, pero ewan ko, basta dahil ata sa tattoo ni kuya. Pero sobrang laki kasi nung tattoo niya. I am not sure if the tattoo shop provided him a free 2x2 tattoo. So, I'll do my best to make sama you guys for that tattoo session. But anyway, it's already 11:43 p.m. and I'm eating chocolate right now. So, hindi pa ako inaantok, and I'm also reading this book that I need to finish na. This is the Always the Boyfriend by Alison Speckle. Let me show you. Which I was supposed to finish before July ends, but life happens. Kaya hindi ko siya natapos agad. But tinatapos ko na siya right now, and I'll probably jump to another book as soon as possible. So, fingers crossed, I might sleep late tonight, but I'm also wanting to run tomorrow morning. Lalo na pag, kunwari, gising ko ng 5 a.m., hindi umuulan, tatakbo talaga ako kahit anong mangyari. But, ang huling takbo ko was August 4, and it's already August 8. So, 4 days na akong hindi tumatakbo. Dahil nga, ulan ng ulan, may bagyo. But, hopefully, there's a bit of sun tomorrow morning. So, let's see. I'm just gonna set an alarm. Kahit late ako matutulog ngayon. And, that's it. Basta, I'll just try to vlog as much as I can pag may mga ganap. And I'll go ahead and see you guys later. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. Ay kakatapos ko lang kumain ng breakfast and sinisipon pa rin ako. And yung ulan, medyo magulo pa rin siya. Titigil, aaraw ng onte, pero uulan ulit ng malakas. So, I'm fingers crossed. Sana mamayang hapon umaraw ng onte or what. If yes, I'll probably go for a run kasi magwa 1 week na akong hindi nakakatakbo. Last natakbo ko August 4 and it's already August 10. And I at least need to do 2 runs before the Rexona 10-miler on Sunday, August 16. Para naman kahit papano meron akong konting training bago ako mag 10 kilometers. So, kung uulan man mamayang hapon, I'll make sure to go for a run tomorrow morning. Umaraw, umulan. I'll wake up na lang around 5 a.m. Basta as long as I can do 2 runs before Sunday. And I'm just currently watching the new K-drama series on Netflix. It's called Sticky Love. Yeah, I'm currently watching it on my phone kasi nanonood si Nala sa TV right now. And I'm also on my second book for August. This is the Last Letter, Rebecca Yaros. And isang chapter pa lang yung natatapos ko sa kanya. I actually tried reading this, not sure when, probably a few years ago or last year. But DNF ko siya, I'm not sure why. So I'm giving it another try kasi I heard there is a film adaptation for this book. But I'm not sure if it's already in the works. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and read it. And I've seen a lot of reviews about this that it's heartbreaking. Medyo gusto ko yung mga ganong libro, yung mga medyo tragic or sad ending. So, let's see. And as you can see, yun nga, nagpatattoo ako kahapon. Courtesy of Kuya kasi nagpatattoo siya ng malaki sa pinta doon. And since he was already able to do 3 sessions, nagkaroon siya ng free minimalist tattoo. Kaso, ayaw naman niya ng minimalist tattoo. So, it's transferable. So, tinransfer na lang niya sa akin. So, I got this tattoo. Wait lang. Alam nyo, I'll just show a picture here. Mahirap siya ipakita eh. But, yeah, just a picture. Super simple lang. It says, Memento Vivere. It says, it's meaning remember to live. Sobrang random. Sobrang naghanap lang ako ng mabilisang design. And, yan na lang yung naisipan ko. But, yeah, for today, aantay lang talaga akong umaraw. And then, yun lang. Wala naman akong masyadong gagawin for today. But, the coming weekend, medyo madami tayong ganap. So, see you later. Hi guys! I'm not sure kung naririnig niyo ako. But, ayun nga. Hindi na umuulan ngayong hapon. It's currently 4 p.m. Nandito na ako sa Soler. Quick break lang. I'm already 2 kilometers. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan ako aabot, pero let's see. I'll see you guys later after the run. Hi guys! Kakatapos ko lang mag-run. And sakto, sobrang lakas ng ulan right now, I believe. Kasi umikot ako from Okada, Soler, Ayala Mall by the Bay, and then umikot, balik Okada. And then saktong-sakto talaga nung andito na ako sa Okada, sobrang dilim and pabuhos na yung ulan. So, saktong-sakto lang. I was able to run 5 kilometers. But, feeling ko pagod na pagod ako kasi last natakbo ko kasi last Tuesday pa and it's already Monday. So, it's almost a week na hindi ako nakatakbo. So, parang feeling ko, start over ako. But that's okay. At least nakatakbo tayo today. At magbibihis lang ako. Alis na rin kami dito in a while. May inaantay lang si Jowa. And then uwi na rin kami. I'm excited to go home and take a bath and sleep.